Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and this is my 3-year review of the Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit I bought. It comes with 3 bars of these clays, and I'm barely on my second bar. Like I said, it's already been 3 years, so it's roughly one bar for every 1.5 years or so. Now, the only reason why I got rid of that first bar was because it started to turn pretty much gray, dark gray, almost darker than this one, and it fell on the floor. So if you don't drop it on the floor, it'll stay very well. If it starts cracking and stuff and drying up, all you need to do is spray some quick detailer and leave it in the box for overnight, and it absorbs the quick detailer and softens it up. Normally what I do is after I wash my car every 6 months, I use clay, and then I do a quick wax or a polish on it. Now the good thing about the clay is that it absorbs all the contaminants on the top coat of your paint. And so basically, like tar like this, you just rub it a few times, and that quick detailer along with this clay makes it absorb that dirt right off the clay or any dust, brake particles, or any other contaminants on your paint. After a while, after you're doing it, it's super smooth. Of course, I think it takes off the wax. So usually right after this, I will polish it and wax it. And that's part of my 6-month routine for my cars. Every 6 months, I basically clay, polish, if needed, and then wax, and that's really about it. So after you clay it, you can wax it and stuff, and that's prepping the surface of the paint. So pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, it's super smooth, super shiny. The best part is it's very smooth, and you want to get the contaminants off before you polish and wax it, so you don't wear out your buffers too. Anyways, very cool. This is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.